Okay, we were talking about Tomoaki Takahashi, who invented robots. I want to read you a story about another inventor. This is Thomas Edison, inventor. Okay, you can see all of his stuff around him. This genre is also a biography because it is about a person. Chapter 1. Young Tom Edison asked lots of questions. When someone told him, "I don't know," Tom had one more question. He asked, "Why don't you know?" He did lots of experiments to find out. Tom watched a goose sit on some eggs. He saw the eggs hatch. He wanted to know what would happen if he sat on eggs. So Tom made a nest. Then he put goose and chicken eggs in the nest. Next, he sat on the eggs and found out. Splat! Look, he's got egg on his britches. Did that experiment work? No. Young Tom also knew that birds ate worms and birds could fly. What if people ate worms? Tom guessed that they would fly too. So he gave a girl a cup of chopped worms and water. The girl drank it and got sick. And she didn't fly. Ooh. I wouldn't drink worms. Ugh. Tom Edison, the boy who asked all those questions and did those unusual experiments, became the man whose inventions changed the world. Tom Edison was born in 1847 in Milan, Ohio. He was the seventh and youngest child of Sam and Nancy Edison. So he had 6 siblings, 6 brothers and sisters. Sam had a lumber mill. Nancy had been a teacher. When Tom had trouble in school, his mother became his teacher at home. Well, we have moms or teachers at home now, but not because we had trouble, because we can't go to school. Chapter 2. Young Tom did many of his experiments in the cellar of his house, of his home. He had lots of jars of chemicals. He wanted to keep people from messing with them. To fix the problem, he had an idea. He wrote poison on each jar. He thought that would keep others away. He was right. Because people didn't want to drink poison. There's his laboratory. There were often smoke, strange smells, and loud noises in the Edison home. It all came from the cellar and from young Tom's experiments. Tom needed money to pay for chemicals and other things. As a result, he got a job when he was 12. He sold newspapers and candies on trains. Then at 15, he began to write, print, and sell his own newspaper for travelers. He named it the Grand Trunk Herald. I'm going to stop right now and continue on the next one because I'm going to be too long.